This is my third retreat with Lisa, and one of the things that I really wanted to concentrate on is a holistic approach to everything in my life. So bringing into balance mind, body, spirit, soul. But particularly wanted to concentrate on my body because I have reactive hypoglycemia, which means that my blood sugar drops after I eat, and I can feel really shaky, and I get brain fog, and it's just been going on for quite a long time now. And remarkably, I'm wearing a continuous glucose monitor for the last 2 days, just from being here and everything that was involved. I have not gone into the red once. With all the beautiful healthy food and the exercises. So that is absolutely brilliant, and I'm going to take that with me because I don't have to have any medication. I can literally just do this just by being mindful. So I'm going to take what I've really absorbed in this week in particular and carry on. So I'm really delighted.
Do you have any favourite moments?
I've got loads.
Yes, there's so many.
Yeah, I mean, it's been a really, really emotional one for so many reasons. But the cacao ceremony today was especially emotional, and it's the full moon. It's also my late husband, or would have been my late husband's 51st birthday today, so lots of things. But I feel really safe with all the ladies and with Lisa, and it's actually been really cathartic to be able to just let everything just go.
Fabulous. Fabulous.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.